Welcome to Sodick. Our new linear motor-driven sinker EDM machines, AL40G, produces 20% faster in machining speed than our previous models. Please look at the following sample. This workpiece has a 7.5 millimeter cylindrical workpiece with a starting hole. The diameter is 15 millimeters with a depth of the hole of 7.5 millimeters. The workpiece material is G3, high hardness material made for punches and dies. Electrode material is copper tungsten. Rough, mid, finish are done one electrode at a time, making it a total of 3 electrodes being used. The machining result is surface roughness RZ 3.8 micron. Machining time is a total of 1 hour and 52 minutes. This is about 30% faster than the machining time in our previous generations. And the AL40G, our new function, SP power supply, contains new circuitry and new control, making all rough, mid-finish burn speed quicker. Without decreasing machine quality, machining speed has significantly shortened. Others: graphite electrode and steel material, copper electrode and steel material, copper electrode and carbide material, and many materials can be machined at 20% faster speed. LN Pro AI can be used to simply search optimal machining conditions. All that is needed is to input the type of electrode, work material, surface roughness to output the NC program. The touchscreen size has also increased from 15 inches to 19 inches. Easy to see, enhanced operability. Because it's an open and easy to access 3-sided automatic doors, setup work can be done stress-free. In the AL series, not only has machining improved, THCOM that is used to compensate for environment, slider, and heat displacement has also been included. THCOM places sensors throughout the frames of the machine and will compensate a wide range of heat displacement occurring to the machine to maintain accurate machining. There's no need to collect data at the customer's premise. From temperature-controlled rooms to varying temperature locations, THCOM can manage a wide range of temperature. In addition, the data of the measurements each sensor is collecting can be seen on a graph on the NC control. It can manage machining environment, problems with accuracy, and causes can be investigated. These are just a few things you can do with this information. The AL series has improved fine precision machining. Automation systems and other technologies are made to increase the value in machining. For more detailed explanation, please ask us for our catalog and quotations. Please feel free to contact us regarding any questions. All Sodick employees will be happy to assist.